Welcome to our channel. It's cool. Today I will show you in this video about logo printing in Tally.ERP 9. To apply company logo you must need to first open the accounting features. After open this feature, go to the other features at the last menu of accounting features. Now enable the company logo from this feature. In the next part, new option will we open here. Type the path of the logo which you want to apply. Please note that the size must be 96 pixels in width or 80 pixels in height. Or file format is in BMP or JPEG. Now press enter and it will show an option accept. Press yes. Please note, first save your company logo into your device according to the logo specifications. Now come back on company features and open gateway. Now open display menu. Next open debug. Now select in company for voucher printing. And select yes option. You can see here the logo is shown in the invoice. Thanks for watching us on It's Cool. For more updates, don't forget to subscribe our channel on YouTube. Don't forget to like, comment or share our video.